Good evening everyone. Today we've updated our website with some beautiful plain thick weave cotton sarees matched with contrast cotton blouses, beautiful prints. As of now we have these colors available. Please do check out the detailed pictures on our website www.fabk.in. You'll be able to see these under the new arrivals. Any doubts you can always ping us on our WhatsApp number, which is 7338872202. But please note, we have just one piece in each design and color, so don't miss out. We also have these natural dye Chanderi cotton silk sarees. Two different prints are there, and please note these use only natural colors. You can see with the tone of the colors, they're so earthy and beautiful, and exclusive prints these are, so don't miss out. These are modal silk sarees. As of now, all of these are available. Thank you so much.